Ratcliffe. Did he leave? Mr. Ratcliffe.
Yes.
Case number SX34153. No, I'm sorry, that's wrong. Case number 194834471 and counts 2 and 3 of that same ticket. All matters were previously read into the record. In fact, these matters were previously heard by the court. We asked Mr. Ratcliffe to wait while we checked on whether these matters had been previously paid and resolved. We have had the opportunity to do that, Mr. Ratcliffe. And for the record, Mr. Ratcliffe, I'm going to ask you to say your name once more, please.
Marvin Keith Ratcliffe.
Thank you. And Mr. Wozak, your representation.
I'm Daniel Wozak on behalf of the defendant. Will waive in-court presence and agree via Zoom.
Thank you. And we have Ms. Horn, the prosecutor, assistant corporation counsel in the virtual courtroom with us. Ms. Horn, your representation for the city of Detroit and your recommendation, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Tamika Horn, appearing on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303. Upon review of Mr. Ratcliffe's previous payment history, I've confirmed that those were 3 civil infractions. So he was actually able to pay those. And it is my understanding that his license is currently valid. The people are inclined to move for dismissal on counts 1, 2, and 3.
It is so ordered. These matters are dismissed. Now, Mr. Ratcliffe,
Yes.
normally, even when a matter is dismissed, there may be a Secretary of State mandatory reinstatement fee. Your record was showing that you owed them. You thought you paid them. I'm not going to impose them, but just know the Secretary of State may have a different record. But
Okay.
I'm not going to impose them at this time. Can I do that, Madam Clerk? Because he thinks he already paid them.
The
But
three
if-
tickets that he did pay, Your Honor,
Yes,
that took care of the clearance fees for those 3 tickets.
okay,
On the 3 tickets for today, there is still 1 reinstatement fee. But I checked previously with the Secretary of State. If the ticket is dismissed, you can waive that fee.
really?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Well, then it is so ordered. We'll waive that for you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, and all monies paid and not applied, sir, are going to be refunded to you. They will refund it by mail. So make sure you have your correct address in the court file. Have you moved recently?
No, but they I don't know which address they had, because at first I sent the ticket to the my old address, but then I got another ticket to the right address. So I don't know which one they have on file.
Okay, now I don't know that either, but can you put it in the chat? Will you know how to put it in the chat? So
I believe we verified his address this morning, Your Honor.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh, you verified. Okay, they verified.
Okay.
I have it, Judge.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you, Ms. Henry. And Mr. Ratcliffe, if you have no other questions, sir, you may disconnect. I'm glad they were able to resolve that for you today.
Me too. Thank you, Judge. So I don't have to go into the clerk. It's gonna just come in the mail
For what now?
for the
your
refund. Yes.
No, it'll come in the mail.
Okay.
Come in the mail. Okay.
Okay, and good job, Mr. Ratcliffe, and congratulations for getting your license back. That's awesome.
Thank you very much.
It's a really hard privilege to keep sometimes. So.
I know. No, thank you. I appreciate it.
Yep, you're welcome.
All right, sir, you may disconnect. Thank you.